Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm coming back with a video for Valentine's Day. I'm going to be making chocolate covered strawberries for my kids for Valentine's Day, so I decided to record it just to show you this cute little Valentine's thing that I came up with. They like chocolate covered strawberries. Anytime my husband gets them for me, my kids like to eat them, so I decided to make some for them. And I have some melted chocolate, melted vanilla flavored chocolate in the color pink. I also have it in white, and then of course chocolate. And I also am going to be using some sprinkles. And I have these cupcake holders that I'm going to be placing the chocolate covered strawberries in. And I also picked up some of these cute boxes from Walmart that I thought would be cute to place the chocolate covered strawberries in. It's just a treat box. I have my wax paper here that I'm going to be dipping the strawberries in and placing them on here. And I'm trying to think of a theme I can do, because I have to do some for my daughter and some for my sons and my husband. So I think I'm going to do theirs in pink, theirs in white with chocolate drizzled over it. So let's see how we're going to do this. I probably should have got like a toothpick to dip them in, but I didn't want to go all the way up. Can you all see that? Yeah. That drizzle off. Sometimes I run into that the chocolate will harden on me fast. Coated all the strawberries, and I have put sprinkles on the ones that I wanted to use, and then I even used some peanuts on some of them. And now I'm going to do some chocolate drizzle on the remaining ones. So I just put some chocolate into this Ziploc bag, and I'm going to cut a little corner, not too big of a tip, just a little tip, and then squeeze all the air out. Get the chocolate down. Oop, that one didn't turn out too good. Okay, let's see. I think my tip might be just a little too big. Let's see. Okay, and guys, these are the treats that I'm going to be giving them for Valentine's Day. I was going to put some tissue paper in, but the box is kind of tight inside, so I just went ahead and just left it as is. But I think it turned out as a cute Valentine's Day gift. Something simple and non-expensive. So, okay guys, that is it for this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below if you would like to see any more DIY videos for anything. Yes, and that's it. And I will see you guys in the next video.